moral of the story is here, you need to understand why it is so critical today, more important than ever before, that if you're involved in an accident and you need body work, okay, you need to know who's fixing your car. Before you sign anything, before the insurance company, with their cheerleaders and everything, woo, go to Tricky Dick, man. He's been fixing our cars for 5 years. They're not going to tell you that for 5 years he's had the highest complaint ratio and comebacks and everything. All right? So we have to be very, very vigilant today. Please, I can't stress this enough. You get in an accident, take a deep breath, okay? Take a step back, and then remember me. Say, oh, shit, I remember that guy in the podcast. I got to call V&J Auto Body.